Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today, as the festive season is on, it's Diwali, day after tomorrow. So I'm going to make a very tasty kheer. It's a very unique kheer. It's made of paneer. So let's make paneer ki kheer. Let me show you the ingredients. This is paneer. This is normal paneer which we make sabji of. I have soaked in hot water and then drained off the water and grated. I have grated it thick. If you want also, you can just mash it and use it. And I have grated it not very thin. This is quite thick. We will need around 1.5 liters of milk. This is a big bottle. I am going to use 1.5 liters almost. Little bit of ghee or clarified butter. These are pistachios for garnishing. These are almonds, 10 to 12 almonds, which I have soaked in hot water. I am going to take off the peels of this badam almonds. These are cardamom seeds. You can also use cardamom powder if you want to. This is saffron, sugar, almost 3/4 cup, and these are cashews. Let's start making it. I have taken this pan. The flame is on now. I am going to first of all use very little bit of ghee in this pan. This is non-stick one. You can use any pan you have. Just few drops of ghee, and then we are going to roast our nuts, dry fruits which we have. Little bit. I have blanched. I have peeled these almonds. Now I am going to roast these together in this ghee, just for maybe 30-40 seconds, so that they don't get burnt or change their color. This is going to give it a very nice flavor. Just keep stirring them on medium low flame. So I have roasted these nuts. Now I am going to take them out, and then we are going to add later in the kheer. Doesn't it sound very exciting? Paneer ki kheer. We have never heard of it before, and even I have made it before, so it's very tasty and very different too. And it gets quickly ready in comparison to rice kheer or any other kheer. It gets very quickly ready. I've emptied this pan now. I'm going to add milk. Yes, I'm going to take around 1.5 liters. That's it. Now we need to keep stirring this milk, because paneer we are going to add almost when this milk is reduced to more than half, because it cooks very easily and quickly. It gets mixed with milk, so we just need to thicken this milk. Now I'm going to add these cardamom seeds to it and let it boil, but we have to make sure that it doesn't stick on the bottom. So I'll just keep on stirring for a few minutes. I'm also going to add few strands of saffron kesar to it now. And then later on also we are going to add a little bit more. See how wonderful it looks. It's perfect for this Diwali. You can make for your family, friends. It's a very good dessert, and it can be made very easily and quickly. See, this milk has come to the boil now. Now I'm going to reduce the flame. I'm going to stir it and let it boil for next 5 to 10 minutes, and keep stirring it in between. It's been 5 minutes now. It has reduced a little bit. It has thickened. At this point I'm going to add this sugar, because then later on at last we are going to add paneer, because it really takes very less time to cook. I will let this boil now on high flame for 2 minutes, and then again I will reduce it a little bit more. This milk is reduced a little bit more after adding sugar now. See how wonderful it looks already. Now I am going to put this paneer inside now. Wow. It is going to get infused properly. after just 5 to 6 minutes, and it will be ready. I'm making the flame high again just for 1 to 2 minutes, and then on slow flame I'm going to cook this. I'm also going to add these nuts to it now, and we'll just keep cooking for 2 minutes and then next for a few more minutes. I've covered this pan. Now I'm going to check it on. It's already been 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Wow, it has reduced completely and cooked very properly. See, look at the texture. The paneer has been cooked very nicely. Everything looks very good. It smells also very nice. And this is the consistency we need. We don't want it very thick. See, it's medium consistency. So it's ready to serve. I'm going to serve this now. Switch off the flame first. I've served this kheer now. See how nice it looks. It looks very creamy and nice. Texture is also really very good. I'm going to finally put some pistachios on for garnish. See, I'll just show you with a spoon. This paneer is very properly cooked. It's amazing. Please do try this recipe and share with your family and friends. Have a happy and a safe Diwali. Thanks for watching.